Hello, how are you? My name is Lucas, and I put together this video for you guys on three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easy so you can start beating Wiremasters Electric. Wiremasters Electric are the guys that when you search for an electrician in Miami, they pop on the first result on the Google search. Okay? So you may wonder why I put this video together for you guys. It's basically because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers. So a lot of times they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. Also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for them, it's really hard to know who is an expert and who's not. So what I like to do is I make these educational videos. I send them for free, and a lot of business owners take the information that I send them and they implement it themselves, or just they some of them contact me back and want me to do that for them. Either one, I'm okay with it. And if you guys like what you hear and what you see, please just give me a little feedback on the video. Basically, I want to talk about the three main things that Google search engine takes in order to rank a website on the very top, right here and right here. And this is content, citations, and backlinks. And let's start with content. Content is basically everything that is on your website, all the text, all the pictures, what is the behind the pictures, and how the pictures are saved as. And as you see here on the word counter, the website has 425 words on the homepage. Google usually likes to see around 2000, okay, of 2000 of keyword rich original content. Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up on Google regarding the service. So you want to look what terms are the ones that people are searching the most, and then you want to add those terms, those keywords several times throughout your website on that 2000 words of content. All right. Then if you see your competition here, and I was talking about on the website here, and I put it on the word counter, you can see really easy that these guys have 1300 words. So by putting 2000 and just making properly keyword research and make a keyword rich content, you can definitely start beating them and getting ranked higher and higher. Then the second thing that you need in order to outrank them for sure over here would be building a strong backlink profile. Backlinks are basically your website name posted on a different website that when somebody clicks in it drives all the traffic back to your site. And as you can imagine, not all backlinks are the same on the eyes of Google. So it's not the same that a website that talks about shoes puts your link to your website in them, and another electric company puts a link to your website. This is like a popularity contest on the eyes of Google. So Google likes to see that you're very popular and a lot of relevant websites on your same niche vouch for you. So how can you do a good, strong backlink profile? So you can put your website here in Ahrefs. This is a tool that we use in order to check all these kind of things. You can see that you right now have no referring domains and no backlinks at all. All right. So how you get some of these? You go to Miami Wiremaster Electric. Okay. You go to Ahrefs as well, and you can put it here, right? Then you can see they have 76 referring domains. How you build your backlinks? You go to your referring domains that they have, and you as simple as copy every single one of them. Usually what you do is you go to the website, make a profile, and put a link to your website on that profile. So by copying all of them, all the ones that they have, if they're good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you as well. And then you will just need to add a couple extra ones in order to rank them. With this and your content, you definitely would be on the very top right over here. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. Okay. Citations is what it gets you on the top of the MacPack. And this is something that you can do for free. Okay. A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web, like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, Angie, and that kind of stuff. All right. So what you do, the same as with the backlinks, you check how many citations your competition has, and you can just go straight and copy the ones that they have, and then go ahead and build, I would say, at least 100 more. What I would do, for example, is if they have 150, I would build 300. So that way, when they realize that you outrank them and they try to start building new citations, you do the exact same thing. So they it makes really hard for them to ever catch up to you. So that said, a little recap. You want to add some content to your website and make sure you put some keywords in it. You want to build a strong backlink profile that you can do by copying these guys' backlinks and adding a couple extra ones. And also you want to build a strong number of citations so you can be ranked over here. So implementing those three things, you will be on the very top here and on the very top here, and you will be getting all that extra business and extra calls. So if you like what I just told you and what you just saw, please feel free to contact me if you want me to help you with the process to get there. Or if you want, please take all this information for free and do it yourself. Anyways, if you have any questions throughout the process, feel free to contact me and I'll gladly help you. The only thing I would really recommend you is getting started with this as soon as possible, because implementing all this stuff takes time, and the sooner you finish, the sooner you'll be getting all that extra business. So thank you again, and if you like the video, please give me a little feedback on what you think. That would help me tremendously. Thanks.